everybody! We should all be saying yippee today because we are finishing group 3. Yippee! Group 3! That rhymes as well. So isn't this just a brilliant start to phonics today? We are going to remember groups 2 and 3 today. We're going to learn the last new letter sound of group 3, and that is B, which is a tall letter. And then it's going to be over to you today for you to write 3 words as nicely as you can, sounding out on your own if you can. So let's get going. The first thing you need to do is pause your video so that you can say all of the sounds that you know from groups 2 and 3. Off you go. Well done. I hope that you could remember all of the sounds. I will just whiz through them quickly too so that we can check and so that we can remember the actions. So let's go for it. Let's say them together. K, D, G, O, A. Oh, that's all. And yesterday's sound was? So we've just got one new sound behind here to reveal. And there it is. That's today's sound. We're doing B. Now, it's a good idea to have these displays with you whenever you're doing your phonics jobs, because then you can always have a little look if you need to remember what one of your letters looks like. It's okay to use visuals to help you. It's not cheating. It's a good strategy. So today we're learning the new letter sound B. And this is what it looks like here. It's a tall letter. We start right at the top. We come down, back up kidogo, and around like a big tummy. Okay, so the children have gone to the park to play ball. As they hit the ball with the bat, they make a B sound. Can you try to do the gesture and say B with me? Let's do it. B. Well done. And again, B. And one more time, B. I'm going to read these words up here for you, and you need to listen carefully to see if you can hear what I'm talking about. You might not be able to see it in the picture, so just listen carefully and blend the word as best you can. Ready? What am I talking about? B. All. Ball. Great. What about this one? B. Bib. This one? B. It. Rabbit. And B. Crab. Fantastic. Let's sound out this word together. Are you ready? B. T. Did you hear the word? Maybe you've already said it, or you need a bit more help. B. T. Bat. Bat. It's time for us to practice our new letter, B. I would like you to watch me first, please, because B is quite a tricky letter. We must start at the top and come down, back up kidogo and around for a big tummy. A lot of people think that B looks like D, but you'll remember that D is a caterpillar letter, and we always start with a caterpillar when we're making a D. They also face different ways. So B is what we're thinking about, and for B we start at the top because it's a tall letter. Get your magic finger out so that you can do a B with me. You go down, back up kidogo and around. Use your magic finger now as I write B. Down, back up kidogo and around. One more time with your magic finger, please. Ready? Down, back up kidogo and around. Okay, now you can get your pencil and your paper or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen. Let's try 5 B together. Off we go. Down, back up kidogo and around. Let's make another B. Start at the top, down, back up kidogo and around. Maybe you're writing in your lines. If you are, it should look like this. Down, oops, down, back up kidogo and around. That was number 3. Woo, don't know why it's doing that. Let's do number 4 together. Down, back up kidogo and around. And number 5, down, back up kidogo and around. Try putting your B in the lines like me. If you're doing big letters and you don't have your dotted line in between and you want to make it bigger, that's absolutely fine. It might look more like this. Down, back up kidogo and around. Well done, everybody. Oh, before I move on, remember it's a good idea to label your work with your name. If you need to pause the video to write your name, you can do that now. So today, you are going to be sounding out words on your own and trying to either build it with your flashcards or write it down. Whenever you need to write a word, the first thing you must do is sound it out. So, from the picture, I saw that the baby was wearing a bib. He's got a little bib on. So I need to sound out bib. Watch me. B, I, B. I feel quite confident about sounding out bib, but I need to double check that I'm ready to write it. So I'm going to sound it out again. B, I, B. I don't want you to write just yet. I'd like you to keep watching me, please. Now that I've sounded out bib 2 times, I'm ready to get writing. I could build it with my flashcards first, but I'm actually just going to go for it straight away. I've sounded out 2 times already, so I can remember that the first sound is B. Now I can't remember what comes next, so I'm going to sound out bib again. B, I. It's I. So now I know I need to write I next. But what comes next? I think I should sound out one more time. B, I, B. Now I know to write B for the last sound. When you're writing words, I'd like you to try sounding out like that too. Sound out first, sound out again, and then sound out sound by sound as you're writing the word. Your job today is to write these 3 words which start with B. You've got a bin, a bat, and a bug. A bin, a bat, and a bug. Make sure you sound them out. You should also get your displays out in front of you so that you can check for the sounds that you need. Good luck, everyone, and I can't wait to see your fantastic writing. See you tomorrow.